Welcome to our kitchen, where family traditions come alive. 1. Save time with meal prepping for a week of healthy eating. 2. Presentation matters, make your meals visually appealing. 3. Choose local, seasonal ingredients for a sustainable meal. 4. Cook delicious meals on a budget with smart choices. 5. Explore the world through traditional dishes and cultural exchange. 6. Be eco-friendly, reduce waste and use sustainable ingredients. 7. Discover efficiency hacks for a smoother cooking experience. 8. Embrace vegetarian and vegan options for health and sustainability. 9. Cook healthily with various techniques for optimal nutrition. Cooking, 280+ ChatGPT Prompts. Start your culinary journey today. Join us in the kitchen and create memories that last a lifetime.